So now we have to study the heart. Heart is a thick, muscular, reddish brown structure which is situated in thoracic cavity, or you can call it chest cavity. And children, it is of the size of a fist and is shaped like a cone. Its walls are formed of cardiac muscle. These muscles contract and relax tirelessly throughout life because of cardiac muscle. Heart beat continuously and pump blood into the artery. Now if we talk about the structure of heart, so the first structure that protects the heart is pericardium. It is a thin, transparent, two-layered structure. That is, there is inner pericardium layer and an outer pericardium layer. And in between these two layers, the fluid is filled that is called as pericardial fluid. And this pericardial fluid performs two main functions. One is it allows frictionless movement of heart, and the second is it protects the heart from a mechanical shock. Along with the pericardium, there is one more protective covering that is present, that is the rib cage, which protects the heart from the mechanical shocks. Now if we talk about the structure of heart, so there are 4 chambers which are present in heart, that is the right and left side, which is separated by a septum. The septum prevents the mixing of oxygen-rich and oxygen-poor blood, means oxygenated blood from deoxygenated blood. On each side of septum, the 2 chambers are present. The upper 2 chambers are the atrium, which receives blood, and the lower 2 chambers are called ventricle. Now, actually, the septum which is present between the 2 atrium, that is here, this is called as interarterial septum, and the septum which is present between the ventricle is known as interventricular septum, because inter means between, ventricular means between 2 ventricle, septum means separation, and similarly interarterial septum means the separation wall that is present between the 2 arteries, that is 2 atrium.
Now children, this is heart. Now this heart comprises of 4 chambers. This is our left auricle, this is our left ventricle, this is our right auricle, this is right ventricle, and left auricle and left ventricle is separated by a wall. You can call it gate also. Wall that is bicuspid, means a door having a 2 flap. Okay, and this is a tricuspid wall which separate right ventricle from right atrium. So this is tricuspid wall. These 2 two parts, that is right part and left part is separated by a septum. This is your septum of heart. Our SA node is situated in right atrium. This is our AV node. These blocks, these are bundle of His. This is our main artery, that is aorta. This is pulmonary artery and this is pulmonary vein. Pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery take blood from right ventricle to your lung, and this pulmonary vein bring blood from your lung, that is oxygenated blood from your lung to the left atrium. So this is the structure of our heart.